Yes, family. Pressure cooker. Turn it off. Cool down. Right in. Right in, camera girl. Now, we're gonna need 2 pieces of equipment. Okay, a construction it seems, but whatever. We're gonna need our fork because we want taste. Get right in. Look at the beauty. Look at the color of the stew beef. Look, we wanted the fork because I want, get right in, camera girl. I want to see you to see the fork going down inside the meat. The meat is cooked. And you see we have liquid leaf because we have to go gravy down. Remember, it's stew beef. So right here and now, we want to get our flame back on up. Family, me gone right back a primitive style because my thingy here, it's not working. I've got to get a new one. Anyhow, so we have that going right in. Right here, we have some pinners. Yeah, and you want to get them all like this. And look here, you don't want them any bigger than this for the stew beef. And you're going to say, Debbie, how them pinners are so stiff. Yeah, man, when you make them, I remember when you make the dough and you leave them for a time, they get a little sticky. So when you make, you just rest them in your fridge freezer for just probably about half a minute. You just dump them right in there. They are all firm. So as soon as the heat take them, then we just go on. Look at them. Yeah, you want to get your pinners. Flame up to the max. Right here, I wash my Irish potato with my little, I keep saying pastry brush, my little vegetable brush. Yeah, you cut it like that. I scrape to my carrots because when I don't scrape them, family, outside of the carrot bitter, we have some sweet pepper. Sweet pepper gives the stew beef a very lovely flavor. And probably we could have take a little more, but we never have no more. Right in, y'all. Look at that. Look at the beauty, y'all. So we're going to get a little stir from the bottom and over. No, remember me tell you, stew beef we set. Yeah, in that pot something then. Now, right over here, look at what is happening to the max. Yep. We have some pimento seed. I'm gonna put a look about this. Yep. We have some coriander seed. Yeah. And I'm gonna put about, we don't measure them thing here, we just judge like, yeah. The coriander is nice. And we're going to fold it to the end of the towel. You all who have your little screwy, stushy thing, yeah man, you can go and screw a little. We just need a little fresh pimento seed and coriander. So all you have your little stushy, atty thing and screw. Yeah, me don't have none of that. So see what me have here? 2 slap. Because we don't want them too fine. We just want them sort of cracky. Bam. This is what we want. Because when you crack, you're cracking and that little stushy thing where you're cracking, when you do it, this is how it comes out. So we're going to carry it. My towel is clean. And I use the end of it. So when I'm ready, I'll just wash. Wow. We are going to put it right in that something. And look at it. Water supposed to die so hot as usual. Yeah. We are going to back away something. We're going to put some more water. Because we are looking at stew. Yeah. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Now, we got here. We're flavoring up now, y'all. We have here some celery powder and we are going to put in about a 1/4 teaspoon of celery powder. We're going to give it another stir. We want to see what the water look like, and it looks like we can take probably about another 1/8 of a cup of water because it's stew, y'all. So this thing going to cook down now to give it somebody pretty color. We have here a ripe scotch bonnet and we're going to put in a piece of it. If you're feeding small children family, try to know your family and how they can manage to eat. I don't have small kids, I just have like camera girl and she making up her face. So I'm putting like a bit, just half of a small scotch bonnet, the ripe one. Yeah, but if you're doing it for kids and you can't omit the pepper, omit it because they can't manage the pepper. Now, right here, we have it and it start like it out for my shot camera girl right in pan them. Look like it ought to start boiling. So guess here, we have not put any salt in it. We didn't put any salt when we started. So right here, we're going to taste now for salt perfection. Mercy me. So we want like, listen to me right now. we want like a toops. A toops. This is a toops. Or a toops. A toops. Half a salt. Yeah. Right in there. And look here. Flavor, we have flavor. We got dump in some ketchup. This is about like probably almost half a cup, but it is not full. I don't think it's fully half of a cup. Now look at this. We are going to stir. Yeah. Look at the beauty. This is stew beef, y'all. Look at it. So we're going to give 2 stir. We're going to put on back our cover, or probably we can borrow Jessie cover. Yeah, she not have a problem. Good girl. So we're going to reduce our heat now to like a little less than medium. Not fully low, but a little less. Okay? So when we return, what is happening now? The stew beef is gelling. It's coming down. So we're going to for another 15 minutes. And you're going to stop about 3 times. And you're going to give it a stomp. And remember, I told you, in the stew, you need a stirring method. So you're going to give it a few complete stirs. Okay, y'all? And before I go, Gabby Sammy, Quartz Jamaica Limited, Crossroad branch to be exact. Big up yourself, girl. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Debbie down a yard. Say that. Yeah. Okay, y'all. So when we come back, stew beef will be ready. And you're going to see how our stew beef look. Okay, y'all?